it. Somebody said I should talk about how to create a good portfolio to be able to get investors. That's fantastic. That's a good one, because in Forex, it's possible to get investors or get people who believe in your ministry and to sow into your ministry. So this is it. For starters, I'd like to warn, like, this is warning. If you have not gotten profitable, do not fall into the lure of getting money from people to test out your profitability, because the chances that you will lose their money is very high. And Nigerians don't play with their money. Maybe if in America, they'll play with their money. But in Nigeria here, many Nigerians do not have the proper understanding of investment. The average Nigerian's knowledge of investment is, I put money here, then tell me, say, I go get 50% after 6 months. That's it. So they don't want to know what you are doing. They don't want to know how it goes. They just want to know that you're getting so amounts after a period of time. And that's not how investments work. Anybody that is investing in a business should understand that there are risks involved. There are risks involved in the investments, right? So that's the first thing I'm going to do is warning. Don't, okay, sorry, some people are on the waiting room, so let me just quickly admit. Okay, so that's the thing. So the average Nigerian does not really know much about investment, and you need to be careful so that somebody does not carry you to panty or kiri for no reason. So that's the advice, and it is a very important one. If you have not gotten profitable, don't worry about money. Just focus on your demo. Now, if you are profitable, the next thing and this is free, this thing that I'm telling you, nobody. I'm telling you guys this thing, and I bet you have never heard it from anybody, any Forex trader, any Forex influencer, anybody anywhere, no matter what, and they are managing funds for people. This thing I'm about to tell you. Did I say it? Please type in the chat box if you want me to say it. Let me know that, if people know that, if people understand that this thing I'm about to tell you is golden. About when it comes to collecting funds, there's only one person. I need to see many more people say something. I want to see people telling me to say it, then I'll say it. For now, I've seen only 3 people, 4 people. Okay, keep going. Okay. Someone said, Alaye, talk this Pia beg. Please, let's keep it respectful in the chat box. Let's keep it respectful. Coach says, okay. All right. All right, I'll say it. Yeah, I'll say it. First thing that I said was that if you have not gotten profitable, don't collect money. Second thing is, do not ever have any negotiations. Okay. Are some people disturbing? I noticed some mics are unmuted. Please mute yourself. Yes, all right. Everybody's muted. Hope we are good now. All right. Okay, so the second thing is do not ever negotiate when it has to do with finances or getting people's money without a legal backing or without a lawyer. That's long and short. Now, it's more than a lawyer, because there are some lawyers that in this Nigeria, charge and bill is plenty. Without the legal understanding of what you're getting into, and without legal backing, that is to protect you, who is the fund manager. This thing I'm telling you, nobody will tell you. Nobody will tell you. Make sure that with every agreement, with every what's it called, every 5 naira you collect, there is an agreement to state and to vindicate you from any losses, because forex is not fixed deposits. It's not fixed deposits. It is one of the most risky industries, the most liquid industries in the entire world. Now, what brings people to forex is the lure of profits. But what forex traders don't know is when you get into the lure of profit, and there's something that is unspoken, is an unpopular opinion, but forex is addictive. Let's not go there. Now, when you've gotten into forex and you're not addicted, then you're not trading, you're making losses, you're making wins, you're making losses, you're telling yourself, lie, after all these losses, I must collect back. You are doing revenge trading, you are paying for this course, you're learning this strategy, you're learning ceiling fan strategy, you're learning underground strategy, you're learning merry-go-round strategy, So it can be very tricky. There are times when you will not be making money and you think that that's how it's going to be. Then you don't protect yourself. The moment you do not protect yourself, you are leaving yourself open to a lot of allegations, a lot of things that may go wrong and that is beyond your control. Now, this is not to say that you should not be a good trader. Like, you shouldn't know yourself. Like I said, if you're not profitable, don't take anybody's money. Now, when you are profitable, you will not always be profitable every day or every month. You may experience seasons of losses or break even or whatever. That does not make you a bad trader. It doesn't, right? So you need to make sure that whatever agreements you go into, in fact, firstly, that you go into an agreement. Don't just say, guy, you dey trade. Don't let anybody tell you that thing. Guy, you sabi this thing. I get one 500k way I know they use. Just help me trade them. How much you go fit give me after 1 month? When you even hear people saying that they want returns on investment after 1 month, you should know that they have the wrong idea. Or how much you go fit give me after 3 months? Or how long should I keep the money? You go fit double up for me. All those talk. Just make sure that you maintain a professional ground. Like I said, this thing I'm telling you, nobody will tell you. Quote me anywhere. Nobody will tell you. Maintain a professional ground to it. Okay, you are profitable, Abi? Good. Now, get yourself legal backing. Tell your lawyer what you want. You don't want to bear the repercussions of losses. You want to have, I can go in depth, but there's a lot with the legal backing. So I'm not going to go in deep into it. I'm just going to tell you, get professional backing. Get professional backing to protect yourself. Then the third thing, which is the final one for now, there is more to it though, but I trust everybody to use their discretion to, do what they want to do. The person who asked the question said, that's Vivo. Yeah, Vivo Wi-Fi. I guess that's your phone's name. How to create a good portfolio to be able to get investors. Now, how to create the portfolio? It is by actually tracking yourself. You may not know that using this, you can use that my journaling template. You may not know that, you may not be able to track yourself if you don't have a template that shows you your track record. So you can track yourself, you can create a 3-month portfolio, create a 6-month portfolio, and or a year's portfolio, and just track yourself by quarter. So the first 3 months, how did you do? The second 3 months, how did you do? The third 3 months, how did you do? The fourth 3 months, how did you do? Now you will notice with that thing, you will notice your profitable seasons in the year. It's not a quick game, it's a long-term game. So when you've noticed your I'm already teaching this thing. So I hope everybody here, because after now I might not talk about it again. So when you've created that 1 year, that 6 months, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year portfolio, don't rush it. Take your time. Because when the money starts coming, it will come for a long time. Right. So just make sure that you do the due diligence early. It shows that my network is unstable. So please type in the chat box if you can hear me. If you can hear me, just type in the chat box, please. Okay, fantastic, fantastic. All right, so all right. Hey, top boy. Hi, welcome. So I was saying that in the lost my train of thought. Let me get back to it. So I was saying that like in the process of you it's a long-term game. So when the money starts coming, it's going to keep coming. Believe there's money. There is money, right? But you have to have done the work so that when an investor, when a serious investor wants to deal with you, and you just send them a copy of your of your journal. Do you understand? You just send them a copy of your journal. First of all, it will give them a clear picture, or maybe you can create a template out of your journal. Maybe you don't want to type, you don't want to show them all the days that you're emotionally unstable. Maybe you wrote it there that I feel like giving up. Maybe you don't want to show them that, and you want to show them basically your risk to reward and your results. That's what they want to see.